My name is Shannon Upham. I'm going to be a sophomore. I work in the Whittemore lab and I'm majoring in biology. The work that I do in the Whittemore lab actually does relate to things that are going on and things that humans should be aware of. The research that I do works with PAHs, and PAHs are molecules that are released into the environment when you burn things like wood, fossil fuel, trash, basically anything, and they accumulate and they don't go away. And these molecules can pass through placentas, so when a mother has a very high PAH level, it can go into her child. And in humans, it's caused lower IQ, lower birth weight, lower head circumference, memory loss, ADHD. There's a lot of things that high PAH levels have been causing in humans. And so we're trying to see how those will affect tadpoles because it's a model system. Tadpoles have chambered hearts like humans do. They have 3 chambers and we have 4, so it does make more of a model system because it does have a complex heart. But with the behavioral part of it, it's also easier to just, there's a lot of things that we can manipulate with the tadpoles that it would be very hard to do if we were trying to do it on a human. So it is very relevant because it is in our environment. We're urbanizing fast as the United States. It's in our food, it's in the air. So I actually want to work for the CDC with vaccines. That's my dream goal. And with that, if I do end up working with vaccines or for a biotech company, which is another field that I have been thinking about going into, they will be using a lot of vertebrates, and that's one thing in the Whittemore lab that I had to get certified online through the government to be able to work with vertebrates. So I think that I have a leg up compared to people who don't get to work with actual test animals. I think that I am making a difference by doing this work just because it is very relevant to humans. There are a lot of things going on with science right now where we are advancing very fast and the pollutants are getting worse in the environment. So just to make this aware to people that this is happening, I think it is making a difference.